Good morning. Welcome back to Summer Hill. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I'm so excited because in today's video, we are going to terracotta pumpkins. And we're not doing that baking soda technique because I found out while shopping at Pottery Barn with my daughter and coming across the absolute adorable terracotta jack-o'-lantern that she tried the baking soda technique, and a year later it came off. She said it was terrible. It just all like dusted off. So I thought there's surely a way to do this where it'd last forever. And so last week when I was working on my porch project for fall, I found the technique. So today I'm going to show you the details on how to do it. And even more fun, we're going to go shopping together and find all kinds of pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns that we can decorate with after we do the terracotta technique. So let's head to Dollar Tree and get some of those dollar pumpkins. Keep your fingers crossed that we can find stuff. So the whole pumpkin has to be smooth. I don't think you can do this glitter. That's really cute. These are a soft styrofoam. I'm not sure they're going to hold up very well, so we'll put them back. Look at this. This is a candle pumpkin. This is exactly what I was looking for. This guy is cute. I've never thought of doing this, but you could literally put a plant in it. Okay, these jack-o'-lanterns are exactly the shape I'm looking for, but their eyes, nose, and mouth aren't cut out, so I don't think they're gonna work, but we'll grab a couple and take them just in case. I'm just about to check out and look at what I see over here. This looks just like the Pottery Barn pumpkin cash pot. Y'all, I'm not sure what I was expecting, but I ended up coming out with one pumpkin jar, one pumpkin candle, two little jack-o'-lanterns. They're not perfect. They really need their eyes and mouth cut out, but they were really cute. So I got those two. So let's run to Walmart. It's real close by. And let's see if Walmart has a better jack-o'-lantern that we can terracotta. Okay, so we're in Walmart looking around. And I saw this online. And it was only $10, and I thought, how cute would that be if we terracotta it? $1.88. And they light up. This is so much better than what I got at Dollar Tree. We're gonna get some of these. Actually, for $1.88, we're gonna get quite a few. Here's another one. He's even smaller. Isn't he adorable? I should have got a shopping cart. But I thought I was just coming to get one. These are so cute. I'm going to get a bunch of them. They're so cute. There's a creepy spider up here. I don't want spiders. Look. He's so cute. So to give you a size comparison, let's do a size comparison. I should have come here. This is way better. Okay. So this is these two. Now let's put this in. And this is him. I need another hand. Let's put him down so you can get an idea of him. This is 10. Okay. $10, $5, and $1.88. I don't know how they made this so cheap. It's so cheap. Let's get some of these. These guys too, if you really want to go big. but they also have terracotta pumpkins. I saw them in another store, so we'll walk around and see if we can find them. I just saw this and I thought, why is this $5? It's a plastic pumpkin. And then I discovered that it has dog treats in it. How cute. Little dog treats. Not sure how much this jar is, but he's really cute. The Walmart associate just told me that these pumpkins are flying off the shelf. So I think I'm gonna get one. Since I can't find a shopping cart, I'm gonna use this guy to hold all the little pumpkins. So I just came across these also, and they're really cute. They're ceramic, so if you painted these, they would really feel like terracotta. Whereas these are like this one's ceramic, this one's like a plastic material. So I did not get the stacked jack-o'-lanterns. I decided that he was too much. He was $20 when I got to the register. I thought he was $10, but he was too much. So we need to head back to Hobby Lobby and get more paint. Let's head home and start crafting. Okay, so we're going to move things around here on my table to make room to work on this project. Alright, so we got the big pumpkin here. And he has one of those, you know, like back in a long time ago when I was growing up, it's actually attached in here, but they have these, the light bulbs. Like a long time ago, like when I was a kid, you could buy pumpkins and it had this kind of light bulb in it. And I haven't seen that in a while. So I thought that was really great. I can easily just change it out with a nightlight light bulb. Now this one, it has a light up in here. So we'll need a battery for that, I think. Oh no, we don't. That's gonna be really cute. We might do this one. I'm just gonna do one for the DIY for today because we'll decorate for Halloween another day. We're not gonna do that today. Now this one was really cute too. You have to pull this little paper out of the bottom. Oh, look. That is so cute. So I got 1, 2, 3 of these. I got this big guy and I got this little guy. The prices are really good on these. These all came from Walmart. I'm gonna put a link in the description to the blog post and there'll be a link in there. I got this jack-o'-lantern from Dollar Tree, but he's really cute. Super, super cute. I think this is gonna be better because it lights up and it has holes for the eyes. Okay, so for the next one, so here's another jack-o'-lantern. And these are some sort of resin. It's $1.25. Now this is what I'm excited about. We've got this candle pumpkin. So here's the bottom. And then the top was in this plastic. So let's take that out. Very cute. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. Very similar to the Pottery Barn pumpkin candle. And this, I think, will look similar to that. And as far as like, how does this candle smell? It has 0 smell. Which, if you're real sensitive to candle scents, this would be a great one for you. Then I saw this and I was like, oh, you can make your own candle. I have a DIY on my blog on how to make teacup candles. And I'll put a link in the description to that. But you could basically do that same thing in this. So let's open it up and look at it. This one looks so cute. I like the shape of it. Oh, this is perfect. I think this is going to be really cute. So you could take just the bottom, terracotta it, and we could put flowers in it. Or you could make it into a candle and put the lid on it when you're, anyways, this is really cute. So this is kind of my strategy. I'm thinking let's do these two because I already have a bunch of little pumpkins done. Well, I'll show you that at the end. And then I've got the big pumpkin on the porch. I'll show you that at the end. And I say, let's do this jack-o'-lantern. What do you think? And then we'll style him somewhere. So these are our little projects for now. Let's get started. Before you begin, you do need to rough this up a little bit. And next, you're going to take a damp paper towel and you're going to wipe it off. Just get that dust off. Okay, now for the fun part, and that is adding the paint. So while that's drying, let's grab the jack-o'-lantern. I love this paint because it has it feels like terracotta. It has like some granules or something grainy in it. That really gives it that terracotta feel. Want to do the stem and everything because it's supposed to look like it's made out of terracotta, so everything would be the same color, I would think, so that's why I did everything. Okay, so now we need to work on filling in his eyes. So you're gonna need to take your paint and just fill in inside here. We're gonna let him dry and let the other one dry, and we'll work on the candle next. Okay, so let's let these dry and then we'll come back in a few hours and add a second coat. Okay, so we're gonna let them all dry and then we will come back in a few hours and give them another coat if they need it. I don't think these will need it. I think this one will, this jack-o'-lantern. So I wanted to take a minute to show you how to add the white highlights if you want to do that. Now this is an old pumpkin project I did a few weeks ago, and I'm not doing this on the new ones that we've been working on. But basically you take the white terracotta pumpkin paint and you put some on your brush, you dry it out on the plate, and then you go within the creases of the pumpkin and along the top. Now you can see that it turned out really nice, but you want to soften the white within the creases. So to do that, I use this sanding block and I just run it within the crease until it smooths it out and makes it lighter. Now that everything's dry, let's start decorating. That's so cute. But let's do an arrangement in this. We need to look for flowers to go in my pumpkin. I think I'm gonna look around outside. I do have the mums that I just did the porch with, so we might could do some of those. So what I usually do is I take the leaves off the bottom, because if it's sitting in water, The leaves will make the water yucky and it won't last as long. So while I'm outside, I just pull these little leaves off and leave them out in nature. But I am leaving a few at the top so that you can see those in the arrangement. So this inside should hold water just fine. So we're gonna add a little bit of water. Yeah, that should be fine. And then we'll start adding the flowers. I'm not loving these white flowers, so let's go see what else we can find in the yard. Herbs and these little purple flowers I found outside should work beautifully. From Liriope, these little purple flowers, and then I added rosemary, oregano. This was just a little petite bush outside, so I threw that in. But now I feel like it needs a ribbon. So I grabbed this gingham ribbon that I have, and we're just going to stick one of these, like fold up a tail here, and just stick it way down in there as far as I can get it, just to secure it. And then that should hold it into place. There you go. I like it. Let's go style it. Now let's decorate with the candle in the kitchen. Next, let's add some terracotta pumpkins I made earlier to this dough bowl. Last, let's add the jack-o'-lantern to the fall mantle. Life on Summer Hill. I hope you have enjoyed this DIY video and how to decorate with terracotta pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns. Please comment below if you have dreamed up a fun idea to terracotta. So again, I just want to thank you again and wish you a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.